This video content is not intended for children.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Well, I'm down here at a creek. Let's see if I can get a bite. I don't really do a lot of creek fishing because I don't know where any good creeks are. But since this one was pointed out to me, I thought I'd give it a try. I'm fishing a little flutter spoon here, a real small spoon. I think I'm attracting some attention from some bluegill in this pool here. I'm seeing a little bit of action down here. What I'm hoping to catch is a smallmouth or a rock bass, creek chub. I'm not exactly sure what kind of fish are in here. If I can't get a bite on the spoon, I might change it up to a trout magnet or a little jig or something like that. Yeah, there are a bunch of little tiny fish in here nibbling away at my bait, but they can't really grab it because they're too small. All right, last cast with the spoon. Then I'm going to change it up so I can definitely get some bites. Maybe a little trout magnet or something. All right, I've changed lures and I'm going with this mini trout magnet with a pinch on sinker ahead of it, just for some casting distance. Let's see if we can get a bite on this. Fish. Just a little guy. What is this? Some kind of shiner, I think. Yeah, look at that. I think that's a shiner. Cool, first fish of the day here, creek fishing. Let's head back this way towards this big pool. We'll see if anything over here will go for the trout magnet. Fish. Look at this little fish. It's like a little shiner again. Sure is. That's an aggressive little shiner. Easy. Turn him over. Easy. Yeah, look at that thing. Creek fishing on Realistic Fishing. Can you believe it? Fishing in a creek. Fish. Another little tiny shiner. There's a bunch of little shiners in this creek. These would make good bait, you know, if I was going for a smallmouth, if I knew where they were. Yeah, look at how shiny this thing is. Fish. Another little shiner, I think. This one's got a bit more size to it, though. Yeah, look at this guy. Fish. Another shiner. Yep, just like those other ones. Well, at least I know there are shiners in here. Aggressive shiners that are going for lures.
Hello, this is John in the UK. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
That seems to be the only thing I'm catching in this pool right here, so we're going to go down this way just a little bit. We're going to swap these out with trout magnets and see if I have any better results. Got a little green one here. And a little chartreuse and orange one here. Let's see if this can get any attention. Maybe I can get something other than a shiner. So far, just shiners. Fish. What do we got? What do we got? Another one of those shiners. Maybe a chub. I'm not super familiar with these, like I said. I think this is my first time creek fishing on the channel. Come on, get off of there. Yeah, good looking specimen. There we go. Fish. Hey, it is not a chub or a shiner. And of course I dropped him. I hope you guys got to see him. He looked like a sunfish of some kind, red breast sunfish maybe. Let's keep going down the creek. Not too much further, I don't have a ton of time. Looks like the creek kind of broadens out right here. Fish. What do we got? Another shiner. See, this one doesn't have the brown and green band down the side like the other one did. Don't jump out of my hand. See this one? Yeah, not quite the same as those last two. All right, here's the final lure I'm going with. We got a little VMC jig here. Let's see if we can get a bite on this. Fish. Fish on. It's a bass. It's a bass. Oh, hell yeah. Creek bass right here. Holy cow. What is this? Let me feel the tongue. Smooth tongue. I think it's a largemouth bass. Yeah, check him out. Short, little, stocky bass. He's got a stripe down the side, kind of like a spot. But the tongue is smooth, but it could be a juvenile, I don't know. Yeah, pretty sure that's a largemouth bass. Anyway, pretty awesome. Creek fishing, largemouth bass. Yes! That was awesome.
This is Charles with Hook 'em in the Mouth Kayak Fishing. And you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Let's see if I can do it again. This little black jig. That's what it took. Let me show you what I got him on. Right? It's like a little nymph. I think I actually have the package right here. Wing ding. Creek bass on a wing ding. How cool is that? We're back where I started. This is pretty much my stopping point. We'll fish this pool up here.
I was getting really worried. I came down and hollered for you on both sides and
Fish. All right, what do we got here? Hey, this is not a shiner. This is what I had earlier, green sunfish. Check it out. The other one jumped out of my hand. fish. Last fish of the day right here. What do we got? Another green sunfish. Look at this wily guy. Wow. Covered in pebbles and sticks. Just got to get a good look at him. All right, here you go. That does it for today. I had fun fishing out here at the creek. I got a bunch of shiners, a couple of sunfish, and a small bass. I'll have to come back over here and try again when I have more time. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.